So you guys have seen us build up this Tacoma over the past few months here on the channel, and now we are finally going out to put this thing to use. So here's the plan. I gotta go to the coast for a family get-together of sorts. And if you don't know, I am in Cranbrook BC. And me and Sam decided, well, it'd be a great idea to kind of back road out as much as possible. We'll be hitting Grey Creek Pass. There's another pass going from Trail over to Christina Lake. And after that, we'll be meeting Sean, Casey, and Chef John on the Whipsaw Trail.
So in this area, it's super rocky and super high up. So Clinton was like, hey, you should look for goats. And I looked up and there was a mama goat and her 2 baby goats and they were adorable.
Deer! Come on, little deer.
Go, little deer, go.
Stop. There you go.
Goodbye.
We're just seeing all the animals today. There's horses. All right, so we've been driving for about an hour and a half-ish. And we come up to the St. Mary's River here, and I might go for a little bit of a stroll in there. It looks awfully refreshing. That's nice. You coming?
Ooh, that is nice.
In a it's super freaking cold kind of way.
It's not that bad. It is pretty cold.
So I actually used to work for forestry, and I spent a ridiculous amount of time up here. And the funny part is the second pass we're going, the only reason I even know that exists is because I used to work for BC Hydro, where we would actually put big metal posts in beside old telephone poles that were rotting out. Both these areas we're going over are, because I used to work in these areas. I forget how beautiful this place is. We just came over the summit of the Grey Creek Pass, and now we're just keeping our eyes peeled and looking for somewhere to set up camp for the night. I think this seems like an absolutely perfect spot to camp. To get up here and set up the truck in the position I wanted it to, I had to kind of back it up this ledge road, which wasn't a big issue. This thing's got a backup camera, so it makes it pretty easy versus like the old Toyota pickup, where it probably would have been a little bit more terrifying. However, the Toyota pickup is more narrow. But fire pit, Tacoma, rooftop tent, and gorgeous views. All right, so we just took the Kootenai ferry over from Crawford Bay to Nelson. Oh, and it's time to start moving. Happy Canada Day, by the way. After we spent the day in Nelson, just kind of enjoying the Canada Day festivities, and we found a dirt road to head down, and well, pretty beauty spot here. We got a creek, we got a fire. What else could you ask for?
Me.
Got my wife. What more could you ask for? Alright, so today we are now on the old Cascade Pass. So this is a pass between Rossland, BC and Christina Lake, which is pretty wild because driving all the way from Cranbrook to Christina Lake, primarily on dirt, it's pretty cool. We maybe have like 100 kilometers on pavement. The only reason I know this area exists is because I used to work for a company that would test and put those big metal things in beside power poles for BC Hydro. So if they're rotten, we'd put a big metal beam in it to reinforce it, and yeah, we did all of these power poles connecting through this whole pass. These things, right here, that's what I used to do for work. See that big, long, straight clear cut behind us going straight up that mountain? That's actually the United States-Canada border. We are literally like a stone's throw away from the United States. All right, so now after a 3-hour highway jaunt from Christina Lake, we've made it to the Whipsaw Trail, which means this video is over because next week's video is all about the Whipsaw Trail, where we're actually gonna find some obstacles that might actually challenge the Tacoma. Anyways, we'll catch you next week. Peace.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got him picking up the